one?
You did? You went to this school?
No, not this one. But a school like this.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, but a long time ago, 93.
Damn.
So, yeah.
1993.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you 29.
I'm 35.
35.
I'm an OG, youngin.
All right, my friend, you. So,
What's up?
Say Speedy, you're welcome in South Africa.
Speedy, welcome in South Africa.
Xhosa. That is the Q. Q is the bottom click.
Yeah.
Bottom click is, that's the Q. And then the C is the click behind your teeth. That's the C. You see? So Xhosa is on the side click. Q is the bottom click. And then
C is like
behind the teeth is, you see?